Assalamu alaikum. My name is Iman Munir, batch number 47. I am honored to talk about the vast and exciting opportunities available to chartered accountants. As CAs, we have a unique value of technical skills, business acumen, and professional values that set us apart from other professionals. Our training and expertise enable us to identify, analyze the complex financial data, identify the risks, and provide the strategic advice to businesses and individuals. We are trained to think critically and solve problems creatively and communicate the complex ideas effectively. Career opportunities for chartered accountants are diverse and abundant. We can work in various industries, including the public practice, industry and commerce, consulting and advisory, and government and public sector, academy and research. Public practice. In public practice, we can work as auditors, tax consultants, and financial advisors, provide the expert advices and guidance to businesses and individuals. We can help businesses navigate the complex financial decisions and develop the financial models and develop the strategies for growth and expansion. As auditors, we can provide assurance on financial statements, identify areas of risk, and provide recommendations for improvement. As tax consultant, we can help businesses for making the strategies for tax laws and regulations, identify areas for tax savings, and provide the strategies for tax planning. As the financial advisors, we can help businesses to develop the financial models, identify areas for cost savings, and provide strategies for growth and expansion. Industry and commerce. In industry and commerce, we can work in finance roles such as the financial controller, chief financial officers, and financial analysts. We can help businesses make informed financial decisions and develop the financial models and analyze the financial performance. As financial controllers, we can oversee the financial reporting, budgeting, and forecasting. As chief financial officers, we can provide the strategic financial leadership, provide the strategic financial models, and oversee the financial operations. As financial analysts, we can help businesses to analyze the financial models, identify areas of risk, and provide recommendations for improvement. In consulting and advisory. In consulting and advisory, we can work as management consultants, provide the strategic advice to businesses on management, finance, and operations. We can help businesses improve their financial performance, develop the financial models, and government and public sector. In government and public sector, we can work in different departments, different ministries and agencies or public sector organizations such as state-owned enterprises or regulatory bodies. We can help the shape public policy. We can help shape the public policy and provide strategies for growth and expansion and ensure accountability in government spending. Academy and research. CA can also pursue career in academy and research and teaching, sharing their knowledge and expertise with students. In addition to these traditional CA careers, CAs can also explore the emerging opportunities in areas such as the forensic accounting, sustainability and environmental accounting, digital accounting, and data analytics and science. In forensic accounting, investigating the financial crimes and provide the expert testimony in court. As CAs, we have a unique value. Proposition that set us apart from other professionals. Thank you.